back to my channel Embrace Wellness. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sweetie Adu and I do videos on beauty, wellness, product reviews and DIYs. And thanks for tuning in to my channel. First of all, wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Now, in today's video, I'm going to give you a review and a demo of Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Facial Kit, which is curated by Lakme experts. It retails for 350 rupees, but I got at a much more cheaper price in Nykaa Pink sale. This facial kit is perfect for any social gatherings, outings, special occasions, and if you don't have time to go to a salon to get a facial done. This has all the 5 steps that a professional salon gives you for a massage. That is a facial cleanser, a facial scrub, a facial massage gel, face mask, and a skin lightening creme with SPF 20 in case if you would like to go out in the sun after the facial. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Please continue to watch this video, and if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. This comes in a cardboard packaging like this. In one side you have all the products that is listed, their units and the net quantity, the price and the expiry date of the same. Then all the products are listed, what are there in the particular box, and then how to do the process of this facial. So the first is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Face Wash, then is the scrub, then is the massage gel creme, and then is the skin lightening mask, and last is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Light Creme with SPF 20. So these are all the ingredients which are travel friendly. Now let's start with the first step, that is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Face Wash. Cleansing is the first and the most essential part of any beauty routine. This stands true for facials as well. Start by washing your hands and then take a pea-sized amount of the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Face Wash. Lather up in a gentle circular motion all over your face and neck. This will wash away the dirt or the dust particle off your face. Squeeze a little bit of the product on your face and gently massage it onto your face in a circular motion. You can then rinse your face and dry your skin. The next step is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Scrub. Now once your face is clean, it's time to exfoliate. Now, like the face wash, apply a pinch of product on the wet skin to ensure that the ingredients from the product seep into your skin. Gently rub the scrub on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, as we age, our skin slows down new cell turnover. But exfoliating your skin promotes blood circulation and encourages the growth of new skin cells. So ladies, make sure you exfoliate your skin regularly. These steps also remove dry and dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, revealing smooth and glowing skin from beneath. Rinse the excess scrub off your face with warm water. Your skin will be visibly smoother once this step is complete. The next step is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Massage Gel Creme. Once the first 2 steps in the Lakme facial kit are complete, the next step is to moisturize the skin. Now squeeze the cream on the palm of your hand and in an upward motion apply the product on your skin. You need to do this for at least 10 minutes so that all the nutrients seep through your skin. Now, keeping your skin soft and supple can ensure that any makeup product you wear doesn't damage the skin or result in breakout. It's all in the basics. You have gotten rid of all the dead skin cells that you have used in the scrub. Now the next few products used in the next few steps will penetrate your skin better to retain the moisture and enhance the glow. I think this gel creme is absolutely perfect. The fourth step is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Mask. Now the Lakme facial kit comes with a face mask in form of a cream. Once you have moisturized, apply the mask to cover all regions of your face. Now it is the time for ultimate step, so it should be applied all over your face and neck and allow it to dry. Simply rest your head back, close your eyes and relax, or read your favorite magazine as the mask works its magic. Now make sure it stays onto your face until it completely dries out so that all the ingredients are absorbed by the skin. Now after 20 minutes, when it dries off, you can then rinse the mask off with water and dry your face. You can apply this mask at least 2 to 3 times a week. The last step is Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Light Creme with SPF 20. Now you want your skin to have that natural glow on any special occasions, or if you want to pamper yourself. This light creme comes with SPF 20 to protect your skin from harsh rays on the sun. It gives your skin extra moisture and shine. Apply a dot of the product on different regions of your face and neck and massage it in a circular motion. You don't need to wash this product off your face. To give your skin some pampering and a salon finish glow, this Lakme facial kit includes all the products and ingredients your face needs. It can be used to show your skin some love before any party, or if you want to just relax, you can also use this kit to give your skin some moisture in this winter season. Not only is the facial kit incredibly effective, but it's totally affordable. So I believe this review was useful, and if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and give your valuable feedback. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.